In this video, we will discuss that how to download Camtasia app from Google and how we can install it. Camtasia app is a screen recorder and also a video editor, and this is a best app in terms of screen recorder. We will purchase the Camtasia app and we will register it on its product key, and then we can use it. And we can also use Camtasia app free as a trial for 30 days. The trial is basically for if we like the trial, then we can purchase it. Let's start. Go to Google. Type and search download Camtasia Studio app. Then enter. Different links will open. Click on first link because the rating of first link is 4.4, which is best rating. Click on first link. Here rating is 4.4. Over 24 million people use Camtasia to create videos. Now click on download free trial. Here we have two options. One is Windows download and the other is Mac download. The Windows download means that the people who are using Microsoft operating system will click on Windows download, and the Mac operating system user will click on Mac download. Here we will click on Windows download. The app is now downloading. It will take some time because the size of this app is 488 MB. It will take some time. The size of this app is 488 MB. Now the download is completed. We will install it. Let's install it. Click on show in folder. Click on show in folder. Right click on Camtasia setup file. Click on open. Please select a language. Different languages will appear. I am selecting English language. Click on OK. Another option will appear. I accept the lesson terms. Mean we have to agree with Camtasia lesson terms to follow the rules of Camtasia app. So check it. Click on install. Yes. Now the installation is starting. Please wait. It will take some time. The Camtasia icon has been created. Open Camtasia app. We have two options here. One is sign in to start trial and other is enter software key. If you have purchased product key, then click on enter software key. Please enter your software key. Which product key you have purchased, you will enter it. Then your software will be registered and then you can use this app. Please click on back. If you don't purchase product key using as a trial, then click on sign in to start trial. Enter the email here. Next, enter the password. Click on sign in. What type of video do you want to create with Camtasia? Select just one option in these. Academic, lessons or lectures for student, training or tutorial, demonstration, promotional, presentational or information share out, video game recording, student project, personal project, others. I am selecting training or tutorial. Click on submit. You are signed in. Close the step to return to TechSmith Camtasia. we will submit it, and we are now logged in this app, so we can use this trial. So we can use this trial for 30 days. Enjoy it. Best of luck. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching.